Hello everyone, I'm Max. Welcome back to Saturn X channel. Welcome. In today's video, we're gonna be actually checking out the quality of the second generation AirPods Pro. How do they perform? How do they look like? How do they sound like? And we will be unboxing them. So this is what I got. This is the package that my Chinese guy sent me, and we are going to unbox this one. So let's begin. As you can see, they pack the headphones itself in these sketchy boxes to make them easily go through the customs. And as you can see here, they come out like this out of the box. So that's pretty cool. We've got all the nice details all around the box, so that's fine. We will take a look at this. Okay, so let's open it up just like this. Got a foil, and this is how the box presents. Very nice. Let's unbox this. Fine, so that's off, and let's open them up. As you can see here, we've got an Apple, designed by Apple in California. Once we take a look what's inside of the box, you see that these are the genuine Apple manuals, so that's kind of a cool touch. I'm very surprised with the quality of the product. Like, it's basically one-to-one, no worries with that. Now let's take a look at the headphones itself. So these actually come to you wrapped in a plastic just like this. This is the matte foil, and let's unbox this quick and easy. So here is our AirPods second generation clones Pro. And now let's also take a look at the other accessories we've got in the box. As you can see, this is this separator thing. Quality of this is pretty sturdy, like one-to-one compared to Apple's. And then we have also the lightning cable. Looks OEM, very nice. And now, as you can see here in the box, we also do have the spare ear tips for the device, so that you can actually fit your very own size of the ear tips for your AirPods. And that's about it. I'm very surprised with the box quality. Like, as you can see, the box is very sturdy. It's literally like one-to-one compared to the Apple ones. So nice. Okay, and taking a look at the headphones itself, as you can see, the design is very nice. Basically one-to-one to the real ones. I have to say that I'm literally very surprised with how good they look like. You've got the real grill here, and also here on the side. So it's not anything like the sticker, it's the real grill. And here you also have the sensors, and these allegedly also do have the touch controls, which I'm very hyped about. We will check them just in a second. You can look at the case itself. As you can see, it's pretty much one-to-one as well. You've got the Apple sign here on the back, so that's also a very nice touch. And you've got the lanyard and the speaker grills. They don't have the real speakers, as I heard, so there's not such a refined sound as on the real ones, but it still does the job. So let's find out what kind of the other features and how they sound like. Yeah, let's take a look. Let's connect them to an iPhone. As you can see, they do make the sound via the headphones itself. The headphones are very loud, so that's where the voice is coming from. Very cool. And now, as you can see, we've got a pop-up message saying not your AirPods, obviously mine AirPods, so let's connect them. And this is the iOS 16, so they are iOS 16 verified. You can normally just connect them to your iPhone or MacBook, no difference whatsoever, so that's very cool. And now, as you can see, we've got to hold the button on the back, so let's do this. Let's get them connected to my iPhone. There's the connection sound, so that's very nice. As you can see, the headphones are now connecting. Let's skip this, and you've got the personalized special audio features, just like on real ones. We're gonna see if it really works in a second, so let's connect them. And as you can see, this is how it looks like. They show us that the headphones are charged in 100%, but the case is at 75%, so super nice. And yeah, let's just try them out. I'm very surprised with the form factor. It's basically like one-to-one to the real ones, and yeah, but let's see how they sound like. The sound playing. Let me just turn up the music, the volume. Oh, and I have to say that I'm really surprised with how good they sound. Like, they're definitely not as great as the real ones, but for $80, man, this thing is just very, very close to the real deals. Obviously, you know, the materials used on this case and the headphones itself maybe are not one-to-one, but as you can see, I do really like how this lid is just closing and opening, just like on the real one, the magnetic. It's so freaking satisfying. And yeah, these do sound very, very nice. Clearly hear the bass, all the low volumes, everything. So I'm very surprised. And look, once I just take them out, the music actually stops. So that's also a very nice feature to have here on the device. And once I just put them back in the ear, the music continues to play automatic. One very cool feature to notice is that once you just put your fingers here on the touch controls, they do really work. So man, this thing is just very, very close to what the real deals are. As you can see, it changes the voice. And obviously you do have the other features such as the noise cancellation, just like here. You can just turn this thing off and on. This is the transparency mode. And yeah, it definitely works. Like you can definitely hear the difference between the transparency mode and non-transparency mode, and also the noise cancellation. So that's very noticeable. Obviously it's like, I don't know, like 70-80% of the real ones. It's not as great as the real ones, but it's very, very close, so I'm very happy. And you also have the features such as the head tracking and some other ones, so that's pretty cool. And once you go here to the settings, you can see them here in the top. They show up. This tab can actually show you the battery life of the headphones and the case itself. You can also just change the name of the headphones if you want. And you have the other controls here, such as the left and right AirPod to choose from, some different options. You've got the personalized special audio, so that's also very nice. And let's check out how the microphones do work. Alright, so we're testing the headphones on the fake second generation Pro one-to-one AirPods, and yep, let me know how it hear me. Alrighty guys, so the next thing we're going to do is to just check out the weight of the headphones itself. I want to check out if they are pretty close to the real ones in terms of the weight. As you can see, we've got our weight here. We are going to just measure it. So as you can see, it's turned on, headphones are in. And as you can see, they do weight just 61 grams with the case and the headphones itself. Alright, so just like this, the case itself weighs 50.8 grams, and the earbuds itself do weight 5.3 grams, so it sums up to like 61. So it's basically one-to-one also in terms of weight with the real ones. Yeah. Let's also check out the weight of the single pod. It's 3-4 grams. Yep. As you can see. So yes, it is 61 total. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to buy these, you have to look. I'm not going to give you any links in the description because I'm not supporting buying the fakes. If you like this video, leave a like and subscription on my channel. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. I will answer you. And thank you so much. See you in the next one. Bye.